You're stuck. Ooh, that was cool. I should be your cameraman. And I don't see anything again. Why did
It turns off. It turns off just to save it, but if the video is still on.
Oh,
What?
I was so confused. Can you get a setting so it always stays on? No?
Well, yeah, but I don't like that.
Because if we did,
It saves the battery life when it turns
if
off.
we did do YouTube videos, we'd have to do it like that, so I could see what you're recording or not.
Wait, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yep.
Wait, what do you record it on?
My phone and my tablet.
Do you have your phone with you?
Yep.
You do? We can record a YouTube video.
I don't have internet.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Go by my camper, and you get 5 bars, and then automatically attack.
No, I don't have service. But I can
No, you can get it without.
only if we had a nice USB connector that can connect to a phone, because then we can record.
No, dude, I know.
Oh yeah, the
You can do it
lodge's
without
Wi-Fi.
service. You can do it without
The
service.
lodge's Wi-Fi.
No, go to my camper, inside my camper, because my camper is the closest to Wi-Fi connection. And I'll tell you the password, and then you get 5. And you
Isn't it just Camp 2020?
No, I can get you on high speed too.
Wait, stop. That's gonna look sick.
That's going off that.
Dude. Fly out through here. Oh yeah. Are you actually gonna do it? I've seen somebody do that with an RC car and it looked like it was a real car.
Okay,
I can make a new.
shut the video off, and we'll go.
Just press this button?
Yeah, and twice. Another time.
Is it done?
Yeah. No.